Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So very easy. After click on three dots, click on settings. Click on privacy and security and privacy. After click on set settings. Now scroll down. Click on JavaScript. Here option site can use JavaScript. So if you want to enable, so check this box. Here are some options. Not allowed to use JavaScript. So if you want to add any website, select here option allowed to use JavaScript. So if you want to allow any sites, so select here and click on add. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.